Hey guys, and welcome back to another dance tutorial here at Learn How to Dance, where you can find simple, easy, and step-by-step dance tutorials. So today I'm going to teach you how to dance at a party with some simple, easy dance moves that are perfect for beginners. And I'm going to show you two different ways of doing these dance moves. The first one is the more subtle version, where you're just kind of dancing on the spot, keeping it cool, don't want to be too much extra, you know. The second version is what I like to call the I want to own the dance floor with my awesome moves. Alright, so the first dance move, I'm going to show you the subtle version first. So, basically the move is just stepping and then tapping here. Step, tap, step, tap. And whenever you take a step, you want to take almost all of your weight on that leg. So let's say I'm stepping with my left here, then I'm moving the weight to my left. And then I want to say step, tap with my right. Now I want to say step right, tap left, tap right, step right, tap left, right. Now if you do it up here, you might look kind of stiff. So what you want to do is just do small bounce here. So you're just bending your knee slightly. I'm just going to show you from the side. So you're just going to do each time you, let's say, take a step, you want to say down, and then when you take another, or when you tap with your right here, you want to say down, step down, tap down, step down, tap down, step, tap, step, tap, step, tap, step, tap. Alright, so what you do with your upper body is, I like to keep my hands here, boxing hands, and then I'm going to move my upper body from side to side, and at the same time I'm taking a shoulder, so right shoulder forward, left shoulder, right shoulder, left shoulder, right shoulder, left shoulder. And you can lower your hands, or you can raise them. Hey, hey, hey. Yeah, so every time you step, you want to say here, shoulder, 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 shoulder. Or you could do whoom, so left arm, right shoulder, opposite, right hand, left shoulder, wah, ta, 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 ta. And you can roll them backwards, yeah, or you can roll to the front. Or you could say, I'm running, 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 running. Alright, now the second version of this dance move would be to exaggerate a whole lot. So instead of just saying, hey, hey, you could go further down, further down, further down, further down. I'm just going to show you from the side. So down and down and down and down and. Now, if you want to be extra, you could use your arm to say swing, ha, swing, down, swing, down. So, every time you swing, you take a step, and then when you tap here, you want to say down, around, tap, around, tap, around, tap, round, tap, round, tap, round, tap, round. Now, if the music is just too lit and you can't really hold back, then you can also do jump, hey, jump, hey. Alright, now the second move. So, the subtle version would be to just lift your legs here. So, starting with our right, we want to say lift right, lift left. And every time you lift, let's say right, all of my weight is on my left so that I can lift my right leg easily. Yeah, the same goes for the opposite side. So when I say lift right, lift left, and double right. So let's just try that. So we want to say lift right, lift left, double right. Again, 5, 6, 7, 8. You go right, left, right, right. Again, 5, 6, 7, 8. Right, left, right, right. Now we want to do it to the opposite side. So we want to say left, right, left, left. So let's just try that. So we're starting with our left. 7, 8. We go left, right, left, left. Again. 5, 6, 7, 8. Left, right, left, left. Alright, now let's try to combine it. So we're gonna say right, left, right, right, left, right, left, left. So 5, 6, 7, 8. We go right, left, right, right, left, right, left, left. Alright, one last time. 5, 6, 7, 8. Right, left, right, right. Now left, right, left, left. Now for the upper body, to keep it subtle, you can just do, yeah, so your arm just here. So you want to say right, left, right, right, left, right, left, left. And then you can also go down here, bend over a bit forward. So right, left, right. You can even bend backwards, yeah? And now the wild version of this would be to exaggerate. Boom, ha, left, right, ha, ha. And you can add the arms to say brush here. So I'm brushing left hand, right leg, opposite, opposite. Hey, boom, ha, boom, ha, boom, ha, boom, ha. Or you could go a bit more down and then keep your hands here and say boom, ha, boom, ha. Boom, ha, boom, ha. A different version of this would be to go here to the side. So I'm moving my hip to the side here. I'm lifting up my right leg or knee here. And then I'm saying opposite, opposite. So notice I'm swinging my hip from side to side like that. So sit and sit and sit and sit. So let's just try that. Sit and sit and sit, sit. 5, 6, 7, 8. Sit and sit and sit, sit. Let's try that again. 5, 6, 7, 8. Sit, sit, sit. Double. Now you can use your arms to say sweep. So left, right, left, left. Let's try that. 5, 6, 7, 8. Sweep, 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 sweep. And obviously you can continue this as well. So boom, ha, boom, ha, boom, ha, boom, ha. Alright, now the third and final dance move, which is actually my favorite. And I'm just gonna show it from the side. Basically what you're doing is you're saying bend your knees. Now you wanna push out your butt and at the same time lean a bit forward. That comes natural when you do this. And then you wanna say up, down, but up, down, but up, down, but up. So when you do this fluently, it should look like this. Boom, boom, hey, 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 hey. Now again, the beauty of this is that you can keep it small if you want to keep it subtle, yeah? Or you can exaggerate, yeah! Hey, hey, hey! Now you can do this move on the spot, or you can move, let's say, backwards, boom. So you're just taking a step every time you do it, boom, boom, and down, step, down, step, step, down, step, down. Now if you want to exaggerate even more, you can use your chest as well. So you're saying chest, and then you do the other. Boom, chest, boom, chest, boom. And then you can do wah, ta, hey, 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 hey. So I'm saying left here, right, left, right. Alright guys, that's it for this dance tutorial of how to dance at a club for beginners. Thank you guys so much for watching, and until next time.